The ancient Chinese believed that energy runs throughout the body in certain pathways that they call meridians, which are connected to pressure points and vital organs. Because of that, massaging the pressure points can help release tension and help organs function better. Today's video will discuss ways to improve health and organ function by utilizing these pressure points. One such point is located on the neck and is said to contribute to happiness, health, energy, and mood. Legend has it that if you take an ice cube and place it on this pressure point, which is located at the back of the neck, between the tendons, up near the hairline, it will improve your overall well-being. To experience this benefit, simply place an ice cube on the pressure point and secure it to your neck with a scarf or some type of bandage. After a few seconds, the skin will become numb and a warming sensation will be felt. Leave the ice cube on the pressure point for at least 20 minutes. For best results, it is recommended to repeat this twice daily, morning and night. The process will give vital energy and release endorphins. This particular pressure point is said to help with sleep, prevent colds, assist the digestive system, help with asthma, decrease joint pain, and manage thyroid issues, just to name a few. However, it is extremely important to note that this is not recommended for anyone who has a pacemaker, is pregnant, has epilepsy, or has schizophrenia. Be sure to use caution and care when performing any medical method on yourself. Have you tried acupuncture or any other ancient Chinese methods? Let us know in our comment section.